Hello all, I'm Gouri, entrepreneur, and just would like to share with you my experience about the robotic surgery. Robotic surgery ante andariki bayanga untundi, kani adi chala sophisticated and it is very good and also speedy recovery rate. Na problem gurinchi meeto share chestuntanu. Like exactly in the month of May 2022, I started experiencing some kind of gynec problem where I have gone for diagnosis and it was detected as a fibroid which is in minimal size. So appudu aa time lo matram naaku elanti problem ledu. So malli after 6 months or 8 months they asked me to go for a diagnosis. But as you know, hectic schedule morning to evening, I did not focus much on my health, but unless until there is a clear visibility or a symptom, people will not go for any other diagnosis. So the same thing happened with me just in the month of October. Naku malli alanti problem vachindi. Then again I started just diagnosing on that. I have consulted so many gynec, 2 to 3 people. Still I was taking medication, but still it was not under control. There was a continuous intermittent also, there was a pain, abdominal pain where I experienced, with which I could not able to focus on my day-to-day work and even other activities also. But finally, if the problem is severe, again I have approached. As you know, doctors, sometimes we feel if we go to a hospital, big hospital, there could be a chance of again getting into so many things, because nowadays, as you know, people are asking for a small things also, go for so many tests and other things. But the right time, right people I have contacted. That is lucky. I must say that I am lucky. I have contacted with my one of my cousin. She is Dr. Shailaja Krishna. With her reference, I have gone to American Oncology Institute, that is in Nallagandla. Dr. Rajesh, I heard he is one of the famous robotic surgeon. My sister only recommended him, but it's very fine day when I have gone there. He has diagnosed me and told it is immediately to be addressed, where the fibroid size is multiplied. When compared to May, it is multiplied. Now, it is completely obstructing the uterus, where it is a problematic to entire body. One day he told, if you are comfortable, come within 1 or 2 weeks, you may go for a surgery. But I said at the earliest, where again I need to join back, just I asked a suggestion to Rajesh sir. He said, yes, one of the very latest technology is robotic surgery, where you can opt. But as you know, people robotic, it means that some robo is going to operate on our body. How it is? As you know, for each and every small query, now new technology, new generation, em chestaru, Google they will approach. Just I also started surfing what is exactly the robotic surgery. But before that, Rajesh sir has given a clear picture what exactly the robotic surgery is about, what's the duration, how the surgery is going to happen. As you know, robots won't be carrying any kind of own intellectual things. As sir, Dr. Rajesh is going to operate by using the robo in the surgery operation theatre. As he has suggested, he clearly told the pros and cons about robotic surgery. Especially I impressed about the speedy recovery rate. Of course, if there are some advantages, even like little more budget also where we need to adjust, but luckily even my spouse also suggested and also supported for immediate surgery, where 0% risk he has to run with. So the same thing has happened, where I have approached Rajesh sir exactly in the month of November, that is 29th of November. Pre-medical test, everything has been done, pre-surgery, what are all the tests to be done, everything diagnosed, and later reports also he has done a case study, everything. Then on 2nd of it's November, I have undergone a surgery. I do have many things before going to operation theater, like how robo is going to operate. It's a fine-tuned one where exactly the robos are going to operate, but the control of entire robo will be in the hand of doctor, a surgeon. It was there, and with a lot of techniques, what technology is now developed, they have done, and it was completely sticking. The fibroid was totally sticked to the uterus. And sir also suggested, in case if there is any possibility of blasting the fibroid, he said he is going to do the open surgery, that is converting robotic to open. I said fine, whichever is possible and whichever is really comfortable with both doctor as well as patient, he can go ahead. He has taken an undersign, but he started doing the surgery. During surgery, whatever the steps he has taken, clearly explained to my spouse and my relatives also. It's a fine surgery what robo has done in a perfect way. He has removed the fibroid and uterus also, but he has also confirmed during the surgery itself, he is going to send for biopsy, whether it is cancerous or non-cancerous. But being like, he is more than a family member to me. He said within a half an hour it will be. If it is cancerous, he is going to take more precautions, cleaning the entire stomach, everything. But luckily it has been proven as non-cancerous. He has removed. And I want to personally experience after robotic surgery how the recovery rate. Is it practically possible? Yes. I'm the best example, because exactly after a week time, I started feeling really very light and also comfortable. And exactly the 5 days antibiotics have been given to me, which I have used. As you know, surgery is surgery. But the impact of surgery when it goes under robotic, really it is not that much burden. And Rajesh sir also suggested within a week time you can go to the normal life. And also, as you know, I am working, he also suggested me go to work within a week time or within 10 days of surgery. So I have personally experienced it. It is really good. And also I recommend the people, if there is any possibility and if your intention is to recover in a speedy way, in a healthy manner, definitely this surgery is recommended. Now I started back to my normal life, whereas working as well as doing a household things. This is what I want to share with you. It is a perfect one where you can believe, and the surgery has been done in a perfect way. So health is wealth. Try to focus on this, and this is the best experience. I am the best example for this robotic surgery where I can recommend to others also. Thank you.